So for the demand for Dogecoin is definitely rising. On Google in the United States, skyrocket by 600%. And let's talk about Dogecoin because the popularity continues to grow. Let's get into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The Captain's here, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, you're seeing the interest in Google Trend, the map that you see here, that it continues to grow over time. The meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin is witnessing increased interest among potential US investors at a period where or when the token has recorded minor gains. Now, all of a sudden, people are they're at least looking into Dogecoin, and some are buying it. In particular, data retrieved by Finbold on December 2nd, back on December 2nd, indicates that interest in the keyword Buy Dogecoin in the United States spiked 625% in 3 months on Google Trends. Now, for the week ending back in November 28th, the search had a popularity score of 58. During the week of September 5th, the search had a popularity score of 8. So think about that. September had a score of 8. And then November had a score of 58. That's a tremendous increase. Now, the breakdown of the search term indicates that Idaho leads United States with the highest score of 100, followed by West Virginia at 97. So you got people down in Idaho, West Virginia, Louisiana, Maryland. They're looking to, they're either buying Dogecoin or they're looking into it, because look at these scores. Maryland with 80, Louisiana with 86, West Virginia 97, and California with 78. And look at this, you see by the region, and Idaho, they love their potatoes, and it's a beautiful state actually, but they also love the Dogecoin. Potatoes, Dogecoin, oh my. So Idaho 100%. That's pretty impressive. The state I live, Florida, is still pretty blue, dark blue as well. Now, the drivers in this Dogecoin, I think they meant to say Dogecoin, increasing interest, and Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter does have something to do with it, of why the popularity has soared pretty high. What's next for Doge? Well, we have to wait and see what happens. Will Doge be a part of the Twitter movement in terms of payments or any type of integration or any type of movement? We'll have to wait and see. But right now, look at this. Idaho, West Virginia, and Louisiana, they love them some Dogecoin. And that's one reason why the demand is up high, because states are like, we need to buy Dogecoin. For whatever reason, Elon Musk, I know, has something to do with it. But 600% skyrocketing, Dogecoin is very popular. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And don't forget, you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.